Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is me going over Q3 of the recent bi-weekly contest. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about this problem. So for me, to be honest, I didn't like this one that much because I don't know. So the big thing to notice is that n is less than 20. So the hardest part about this problem is that proving that this works for backtracking. So the solution is backtracking. I spent a long time on this problem. I spent about an hour and a half, no, not that long, maybe an hour on this problem because I thought that there was a pattern way to solve this, and I did submit a solution where it was I just used some pattern, but even though it was a valid solution, it was not the lexicographically largest sequence. So after that I did implement the backtracking solution, and however, because I wasn't confident that backtracking was fast enough, when I implemented, I had a typo that I didn't debug until like half hour afterwards, because I was just like, oh, so my thought process was, okay, backtracking is too slow, but let me implement it just in case. And then when I ran it, I was like, oh, this is too slow, so I guess this is what I thought. However, it turns out that was too slow because I had a bug that I had to fix, and once I fixed that bug, actually it was fast enough for backtracking. And yeah, so the solution is backtracking. The problem with this is that it's really hard, and I still, to be honest, don't know how to prove that backtracking is going to be fast enough. Because in the worst case, it's going to be n factorial. But usually with backtracking, you hope, or you guess, or you could prove that the constraints of the problem makes it such a way that it's actually faster than that, right? However, in this case, I don't have that proof for you. I just did backtracking. So let's go over the code real quick. And if you've done backtracking, then this is kind of similar. Or like this should be familiar to you. So this is standard backtracking. But again, the hard part with backtracking, given that n is equal to 20, is the proof itself. So the code is not that interesting to me, to be honest. But yeah, so basically I set up the array. I have a used just to keep track of what numbers are used, and then we have a found. And for this backtracking, we basically greedily count down from the highest number to the smallest number, and then we just try it one by one, right? And we try it by, okay, if the number is not used and the index plus case is still in bound, and that the index plus k array element is not used, then we just basically, we use the number here, we check whether it's possible. Oops, how did that happen? If it's possible, then we return true. If it's not, then we reset it, and then yeah. And the way that we kind of structure it is such that the first answer that we get, we return, right? So then we don't have to keep on trying more after we get the first answer, and that allows us to save some time. But yeah, here we just tried using the number, we try it, and then we reset the values afterwards. This is standard backtracking stuff. We have to handle one a little specially because we don't, there's only one, right? So that's why I wrote it out differently. Yeah. And this is only if this index number is not used. If it's used, then we just go to the next index. In terms of space and time, it's going to be a little bit tricky. So in theory, the worst case is n factorial, but n times n factorial or something like that. But yeah, let me know what you think. It's a little bit weird. I don't like this problem for that reason. I actually honestly thought that there'll be some weird solution which makes this problem much harder. No, I mean, I think this is actually a good interview question, to be honest. I mean, so you may hear my comments later. I complained a lot about it while I was solving it, but I think this is a good interview question because there are a lot of backtracking interview questions. But my biggest problem with this is that you have to be able to prove that it is good for n is equal to, or less than equal to 20, which is what I spent a lot of time on, which is why I was trying to find a better solution than backtracking, but was not able to. Let me know what you think about this problem. It was a mess for me. Anyway, I'll see you next, and you can watch me solve it during the contest. Okay. That's a silly poem. I wish I did it. I mean, I got it, but I just was dumb about it. Okay. Let's see. Distance between two. Lexicographically. Okay. I is exactly I. Hmm. Should have paper ready. Okay. So 1 is just 1, 2 is 2, 1, 2. 3 is this one thing. 4, what's 4? 3 cannot be here. So 2 could be here. 3 could be here, and then 1. Is that right? And 5, you have this thing. 6. Probably just actually just brute force this and then just cache it. Might do that. Okay. Is it used? That's fine. We need this to go backwards, also break. is equal to 1. Okay. Oh, it's not good. 5, 3, 3. 1, 2. Okay, so 20 factorial seems a little bit slow though. So that can be greedy. Five is starting to be no good, and 6 is also no good. It's missing 3. What is the right answer for 6? This is definitely a thing. And then this has to be a 4. 2. And then 5. 3. 1. Something like that. I mean, the pattern is kind of obvious, but so maybe I should have done it that way instead. Okay. And then 7, just to make sure. It's probably just this. Wait, is this right? Let me make sure. This is 6. But we still need some like 4s. 2, 1. Is that right? No, there's no 1. Whoops. That's fine. This is still right. 1. Okay. Okay. That's odd. No, odd numbers are harder. Let's do the easy one first. X in range sub n all the way down to X. And then now and then it'll be equals n minus 1. Yeah. There's some like recursive E thing here. I think that's the hard part, is that actually maybe there's some recursive thing. Now what am I doing? Plus n minus 1. For x is in range of n minus 3 all the way to 1, -2. Index now is equal to n plus 1. I have to do it for 8. And here something like that. Nope. It should be 1 like that. Okay. Okay, now I think I see the full pattern a little bit. Okay. For I mean, I know that I didn't do one of them, but let's take a quick look. 2 on 1, no, that's not right. Oh no, that's for 2. 2 is 2 on 2. No, this is actually right except for this part. Okay, fine. That's just for the final one. Should be okay. Then now I have to do this one. This is annoying. It just means this one. Okay. If n is greater than 2. This looks okay, right? And then now, what's the other thing I want to do? Oh yeah, test for 7 and 8. Now that up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 is 1, 2, 3, 5. So I'm missing a 5 somewhere. Okay, that's good that we test these things. 8. Oh, I just don't index +1. Okay, good catch, Larry. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so then now I have to do the even numbers or the odd numbers. Else should be the same idea. Let's see. Right. 5. Okay. So we want to put the 1 in the middle first. Okay. Let's see what this does first. Okay, that's good. It doesn't do the middle. 1 index plus 1 is equal to -1. Oh no, why does this take so long? This is why if you have a local compiler thingy, this is faster. But okay. Oh. I guess this doesn't work for 1. 1 is an input, right? Okay. Okay, so for odd numbers, yeah. 3, 4, 5, 4, 4 is good, and then now the rest. How do we spin out the rest? Well, this is 4, 2, 4, 2, 4. Okay, so then that's just same as here, maybe. We already did the 1, so okay, let's see. So this is for odd numbers. Now, yeah, okay. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, okay. And then now let's just do a 20 spot check, because this would be a silly way to lose 5 minutes for a penalty. Okay. I think if I cared enough, I would also do a big odd one. I would write a tester to check that this is right, but that'll probably be too slow. 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay. Yeah, okay, let's give it a go. Oh no. Okay, well, I didn't optimize because I always put the 1 in front, which works for one of the inputs, but not for 7, apparently. Maybe I should have. Well, I mean, it's true. It's just that. Okay, now this is a little bit trickier, actually. Because I thought that there was a pattern, but these are too mathy and not enough. This is not programming, but I don't know. This is the direction Leetcode wants to go. Okay, so at least I got a right answer, but this is not quite right. Is this always going to be the case? What is the answer for 9? Put 6, 4, because 4 fits in here. For 9, do we imagine it fitting more? So I guess this answer is just wrong, but because 1, 2, 3, 4 is good, and then now you have 6 here, and then now you have 2, 1, 2, which is kind of awkward. So what's 9? 9, you have 9, 7, 5, 3, 3, 5, 7, 9. So then now you have 8 and 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4. can you fit another one here? No, you cannot fit a 4 in here. So then this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and then 8, and then now this is really weird problem in general. Maybe. What is the right answer for 7? Let me copy this before I lose it. 2, 1, 2, but here. 9, 8 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is right. So that means that this has to be a 4, 2, 3, 4. And then now this means this has to be a 2. And then this is a 1, right? Do I have a better pattern here? Not really, but it is a way awkward. And now I have to double check my... No, I think this is still right for the even case because there's only one number in the middle. Because actually, is that true? No, because this is 4 numbers, so if I put a 5 here, this would be better. And then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 3, 1, 3. Okay. So this is the answer for 8. Really wonder whether it's just worth. So this is just all wrong. I still have an hour to go, but this is just annoying. Okay. Oh wait, no, this cannot be true because of the 2. Do we need the 2 here though? Can I do something like this? 5, 6, 6, 7, 3. This could be 2, 2, 1, right? Is this the right answer or part of wonder? No, now this is 7 and this is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now I needed one more number here. So this by contradiction. Okay, man, this is really mixing me up now. Okay, so let's assume that the even numbers are right. If not, we'll just have to get another wrong answer. Okay, then here 8, 8, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So then that means that here we have 6 and 4. 5 we have 4 and 3 for some reason. Is that right? Yeah, I guess so. Now we have 1 and 4. But for 7 we have 6 and 4. Right? Is this the right one? Yeah, okay, that's the right one. Over here. Like, I guess my question is, does it make sense for this to be later then? I guess so. But then for like 11, what is the answer for 11, right? Then maybe it makes sense to have 3 things that are like this. Now then in this case it'll be 10, 8, 6, and then you have 5, 7, 9, 11, and then this is gonna be some weird backtracking thing, isn't it? Maybe that's what I should have done. Okay, let's try the backtracking thing and then we'll memorize or something. Actually, let me make sure I have the code copy somewhere so I could reuse it. I think probably backtracking and caching is going to be the way to go if my computer wasn't so slow for some reason. For me to... Why are you not letting me edit this? No. This is so... My computer's being dumb. Okay. want to optimize for the current number. That is true. Okay. And so index is equal to 0. Otherwise, keep going. Index is equal to length ends and return true. Let's just do it. If not used K. Index is equal to K, and index plus K is equal to K. If possible, then return true. Otherwise, try using a 1. Is this right? This is not right. I mean, it's right, but it's not the best answer. Why is that? Well, let's just see if it's fast enough anyway. I think that's just an optimization. Yeah, it's gonna be too slow, it seems like. So we still have to do a little bit better even with figuring things out. That's a little bit sad, actually. That's actually not good. Well, I just don't know how to do this, I guess. And they've been doing really weird. Like, this is not an interview question. But so even if it's right, it's too slow anyway. But this is another one of those contests. Alright. Why doesn't the 5 go first though? And this is also another one where everyone seems to know how to do, but I am not getting it quite right. I mean, even the 8 answer I'm not quite sure about, to be honest. So I had 6, 4, 8, 2, 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, like 7, right? But you can also imagine that, well, this could be 5 maybe. We replace it? No, I don't know. Maybe that's not true. Maybe it is just odd numbers and you just have to do. What is the answer for 11, right? Well, can you do this? 5, 6. This is 7, 8, 10, right? And then now you have 3, which okay, so then this is just 4, 6. What? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is 8, 10, 10, and then this is now 4, and then 4, and then 2, 1, 2. Maybe it's not so bad. Maybe I complicated things too much. Let me take back my original answer. This is annoying. Is he? But then everything else is a edge case. Why not? Why not 3? This 3 is kind of edge casey. I'm still missing a 3. How that? So this is not right. 3, 1, 2, 3, 2. I don't know why they're limited to 20 if there is a formula though. That's why I'm a little bit weird that it's not the recursion. Let's get the Q4 first. Let's see. Only one person got it. Okay, let's not get the Q4 then. This is right. Is this right? So each power of 2. For example, this we just do the 4. Is that right? I don't know. These contests are really not fun anymore. But if I want to do Code Force, I'll do Code Force. Also, this is off by 1. So this is wrong again. Otherwise, I have 3. Yeah, so it should be just this. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then now we have okay. It's really weird. Yeah, maybe I'll just manually do all the odd ones. That's gonna be faster than whatever the thing I'm doing. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 4. This is 4. But then now we need 2s and 1s, right? So that's a little bit invalid. Or am I doing this wrong? Now you need this 8 to be in there. But then now you have 6. Eight, 10. Then now there's a 4. And then there's a 2 as well, so what the hey? I don't, maybe I'm just missing something critical in this one. I don't know how to do this. I mean, I really tried on this one, but alright, let's see. I'm gonna run this on my local box. Let's see if I could do anything differently. Let's see how long that takes. Okay. Now we can at least. I just don't know how to do it. I mean, I get our way to do it, but it's I have to figure out how to. Three people got that one. That's ridiculous. Why am I so slow on this one? 200 people got it. Maybe I just need more sleep. So the problem is that this is just not optimal, even though it is right. So it thinks that this is the right answer, but we don't know if there's a better answer. No, it's gonna be too slow on my computer. It seems like 20 factorial is probably too slow. I mean, I knew that, but what we want to try is something like trying to see if I can figure out the pattern again, maybe. So this is the whatever, but the right answer is something that I deleted it. Whoops. But it's just that and 6 and a 4 in the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4. How do I mean, they're fundamentally the same. And then, okay. Do I just 10 factorial? What's 10 factorial? Still too slow though. On the rest of the numbers. Oh, I see. Can try it. Okay, let's try the brute force way, which is wait. I don't know, actually. Does everything to follow? Like if I try this. Right, then we have all this stuff. Let's say we put a 6 here. The 3, 4, 5, 6. Right. And now we have 4. But then there's a contradiction, right? Because we need a 2 and a 1. 1 can go anywhere, but then the 2. Can this be 8, 6? Or even 10, 6? No, cannot be a 6 here. It's okay. No, it cannot be. So 10 has to be in the middle. It has to be 110. That is weird. This is such a weird problem. Like, I feel like this is the answer, but I can't prove it. And this is the answer for 9 or 7. What is 9 again? This is my answer, but it's not the right answer. 6. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6. 8 would be here. Then we have all the spaces. This is a 4, 2, 3, 4. This is a 2, and this is a 1. Wow, that is. How do you even get that? And then now to say 11, it doesn't hold, is kind of hard to believe, to be honest. There's probably an invariant that I'm just not figuring out somehow, but I don't know. I just don't. Even this one is like an awkward one. To do. Unless there's a recursion, like a recursion-y thing that I can think of. Oops. It's either that or maybe this is not the right answer at all. Maybe this is 8, 6, 4. And we just don't have the 3. Now we need a 3. But this may be the case for 13 or something. Wow, how did 200 people got this? I feel really dumb today. Like I'm not even having off by 1. I just don't know how to do it. At least not without brute force kind of way. Yeah, and the original code was never gonna work. Okay. Five, 6, 8, 10. Is this right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, so I need a 4, and 4 is too small. So this has to be a 3. That means that there's only 2 numbers in between. But I can't do an 8 or 10. So let's try 6 and a. No, I just feel like okay. Well, what's 13 then? I'm literally like gonna do it for all these manually, and it's gonna be really sad. 4943. Okay, I was gonna do some brute force, but I don't even know how to do that, to be honest. Maybe that's the answer. Maybe it's just me brute forcing on the odd ones because I don't know how to do it otherwise in an easy way. Okay, so 11 we pretend is that, then 13. And we have half an hour, so we definitely have time to brute force this. But still, it is a little sad if that's the way we're gonna do it. Okay, so now we have 4 in the middle that we can use maybe. So let's do 12, 10, 8, 6, and then now we have let's see, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, so 6, 8, 10, and then now we're done with all numbers up to, we have to do 4, 4, 2, 1, 2, 4. So that's actually pretty easy if this is right. Maybe we'll write a route data. Now this is missing some numbers because this is way longer, right? What number am I missing? Oh, I'm missing 12, but that's okay. That's just there. 2, 4, 6 is in here. Oh, and 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4. But 3 we know the answer of, so that's actually not that bad. Or 4. What is the answer for 4? Because this substring is just 4 because we've done all the numbers before that, so that's actually not bad. Yeah, so this is just 4. This is a ridiculous way to solve a problem, by the way. But when you're desperate, you're desperate. Okay, so this looks good. And it is strictly better, so that's good. Okay. 9, this is good. 7, this is good. 5, I think they give you the answer, so let's just use that. Uh, 3 is also a number that they give you. And then 1 is just 1. So, okay. This is a ridiculous way to solve a problem. Don't do it at home. Unless you're, I don't know. I didn't even look at the other problem because, I don't know. Okay. But we do have a pattern. It's just I don't know if it's a great pattern. So, okay. Now we have at least 4 numbers in the middle. And I don't think we're going to do any more. So let's just do the 14, 12, 10, 8. And then now this is going to be 8, 10, 12, 14. Is that right? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then there's a space. So that may actually not be right. But okay. And 7 is in there, 5 is in there. So that means that what are the numbers are left? 6. 6 is in here. 6. And then now we're 4, 3, 2, 1. So kind of similar to the suffix, but now it's a little bit weird. So let's do 4 here. This is also very prone to error, obviously. So I don't know. 4, and then 2 is going to be annoying, and then 3 is not going to be possible. So maybe that. I don't know how to do this one. I don't think I could. Like, I'm going to make a mistake, and then it's not going to be right. I don't know how. 13 has a great answer. Well, maybe I'm just I'm clearly missing something, but I don't even know how. This is a ridiculous contest. Yeah, I just don't know how to solve this, so this is going to be another bad contest for me. How? And I'm not even sure that this is wrong, it's just I don't know how. For example, this could be 3 maybe. 1, 3. But then now you have 2 and a 4, and that's just, there's no way to do a 4 and a 2 without another 1. So that's just awkward. So this is the way to do it. If I don't even see the pattern, that's my problem. To be like, okay, this is definitely the reason why. I mean, I know that 11 and 15 are the case, but why 11 and 15? And 5, 5, 11, 15. Yeah, let's try it anyway. I mean, at this point, why not? I am so confusingly lost. Okay, so in this case, again, we want to put at least the 4 numbers in the middle, maybe even 5 at this point. So now we want to put it's 16, 14, 12, 10. I'm trying to think about something fundamental about this. I don't get it. Lexicographically largest one, it makes it really annoying. I mean, there's always a solution, but like it makes it an interesting problem, a really weird problem that I just don't get. Maybe there's an observation down to make that I'm just skipping over because I didn't refresh myself. I don't know. Maybe that this is another one, but I don't even want to do this anymore. This is such a silly problem. I don't want to do anymore. And the other one has 3 solutions. I don't even think that's, there's no chance I'm going to get it unless I've already done it before. But probably not. I don't know. I didn't. There are a lot of smart people working on it, and if they're not getting it, I'm not getting it. At least not in like 5 minutes or whatever. How? I don't know why so I'm not testing my other solution. I don't know why it does it this way. This is very awkward. I see why, but no, I don't see why. I don't even know why my brute force is not working. I'm just gonna see if I could get an intuition from the brute force solution. I don't know why. I don't know why that. Everything about this problem is wrong for me. Oh. I am dumb. So this is the answer for 7 that I got from my script. Is this matching this at least? Okay. And now can I get it for 15? Okay. That was actually pretty fast for 15, but maybe I just had a typo that I fixed. Okay, fine. don't print out everything. Come on. Well. Wow. Did I have the solution the entire time I was just being dumb? I might be. Maybe that's why everyone got it. Okay, let's just give it a submit. Hey, thanks for watching. This was a rough contest for me, just because I was being silly. Maybe I need more sleep. But yeah, hit the like button, the subscribe button, join me in Discord, and I will see y'all later. Bye-bye.